Alright, and welcome to a fun little quick video on how to start the good old Airbus H125 helicopter and Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024. I'm going to keep this pretty straightforward, just going to do some startup and shutdown procedures part of the checklist. If it seems like my head is moving kind of floating or moving a little different than what you're used to seeing me, it's because I'm not using my VR headset today. I'm using the Tobii Eye Tracker 5. Not a sponsorship, but I do find that it helps give me a little bit of a break when I just want to take a little bit of a break from VR but still have some nice fluid head movements. Oh, without further ado, let's get this started. If this is your first time kind of checking out how checklists work in your EFB, you go right over here to your aircraft and you go to checklists. I've already done the exterior work. Pre-flight, fuses are all good. Yep. Not doing a turnaround. Okay, before engine starts, rotor brake. Oh, quick note, if you don't know where something is, I've been using this feature a lot. If you click the eye icon here, it'll highlight it for you, making it much easier. So, rotor brake. Forward, it's in the release position. Check. Fuel shut off. Lever must be forward. Fuel shut off. Check. Twist grip, idle position. Idle position, check. Engine starting selector switch. That should be off. Right there, engine start off. Battery switch on. There we go. Battery on. Instrument lights as required. Gonna go to day. There we go. Pedals, freedom of movement. Check. Heating system. Good. Check, check. Not needed. Good to go. Alright. Starting the engine. Fuel pump on. Let's see. Okay, fuel pump on. Check. Engine start selector on. Engine start selector is on. Good. Engine parameters, N1 must increase, top must remain below limits, rotor must turn at N1 or equal to 25%, engine oil pressure increasing. So look over here. Okay, good. Pressure is increasing. Good. Temperature is rising. That's good there. RPMs are slowly building. There we go. Check. Generator on. Check. Fuel pump off. Check. Engine starting selector guard set. Okay, check. Avionics on. Check. Alright. Accumulator test on. Tracking the pitot and horn. Hydro light flashes. Good. good. Reset vent off. Check. Yep, that hydro light did come off, so let's check. Let's do a hydraulic cutoff test real quick. So we're going to switch the hydro off. So hydro off switch. Check. Hydro warning light comes on. Good. So turn the hydro back on. Check, and hydro light comes off. Caution warning check. Alright, twist grip to the flight position. Check. RPM's getting up to where we need to be. Get to the green. Alright. Got my horn over here. Got a P-top. Collision. Go. Okay. Now ready for takeoff. Right here, it'll also break down some of your limitations, which are good to have. Okay, so we flew and we came back. Now we need a shutdown. Shutdown's pretty straightforward. So cyclic is centered, so that's good. Check. Twist grip back to the idle position. Go. VTOL horn and landing lights all off. Didn't use landing lights, but our VTOL horn. And starting selector switch off. Generator off. Rotor brake. So this part's kind of a little bit wild with flight sim. But if you notice closely, it'll tell you 140 RPMs or 170 in high wind conditions. So current RPMs are sitting at about 330. So I wouldn't want to engage this till it gets way further down. But for the sake of time, and this being a simulator, not real life, I'm just gonna help it along a little bit. And then the next several steps will be rotor blades stopped, anti-collision, and a battery. So okay, anti-collision and battery. I'll go ahead and turn off avionics. Alright, and that's shutdown procedures. Hope this video is helpful to you. I'll be using this helicopter a lot going forward now that I've unlocked search and rescue missions. So for those of you who enjoy seeing startup and shutdown procedures, I hope you'll appreciate the routine of seeing me do startup and shutdown procedures in my future flights. And for those of you who it's not your thing, that's okay. I'll have everything timestamped so you can go ahead and just skip to the parts that interest you. Well, that's it for today. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed. Until next time.